So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome you guys. First of all, sorry, I'm so sorry that you're not seeing my face today again, but I made a intro and I wasn't really pleased with it, so I thought maybe, this time again I'm just going to do a video without a intro of myself, but in the next video you will definitely see my face once again. Okay, but before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, show me some love, and then let's come back and get into it. So I have already applied a thin layer of clear acrylic on the nails. I've already prepped the nails. I will put the link of the video for you guys to go ahead and watch that video on how I do that in detail. So I've already applied a thin layer of clear acrylic, and now I'm using some purple pinky color acrylic from Tones. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below, and I'm applying it at only the halfway through the nail, because we will be using some other color at the tip to make kind of a ombre effect, and also apply some glitter. And this nail design will be a freestyle, so on every nail I will be doing a different design. So I'm applying this blue kind of purpley acrylic. I don't have a link of this color for you guys because I just bought it on Curacao when I was on vacation. I have a lot of colors that I buy when I'm on vacation, so that's why I don't have a link for you guys, but I will see if I can find the link of the one from Tones for you guys. And I'm just going to apply the acrylic halfway through the pinky, and then I'm going to use some glitter to apply like random over the nail, like a swirl kind of effect. I'm not going to encapsulate this nail yet with clear acrylic because I want it to dry first, and when I'm done with all the nails I am going to encapsulate all the nails. So the glitter that I've used on the nail I also got from Curacao. This I know it's from Tones, but I really don't know what number or anything it is. So I'm sorry if I don't put a link for you guys in the comments and in the description box, but I will do my best to find a link for you guys. And now I'm applying, I'm using the cover pink from Tones. This cover pink is a little bit more clearish at the clear side, and more pinkyish than the cover pink from Young Nails, and I really like it. It's really natural, I just like it. But I also like the cover pink from Young Nails, but I'm applying it to make the nail bed, and I want to create a French kind of look, but with two colors, really two colors that I'm using in this nail design. And also use some glitter, but you will see me doing this set, this design on this finger is a freestyle kind of nail design, so I'm not going to speed it up for you guys, so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing and can practice along watching my videos. And I don't want to speed it up so you guys can see what I'm doing, and also the close-up so you can see what I'm doing even more better. On the middle finger I'm going to do like a marbled effect, and also apply some glitters. When you are going to do the marble effect, make sure you use small amounts of acrylic so the nails will not come out too thick, because you can easily use too much acrylic and you will also have to encapsulate it. So make sure you will work with small amount of acrylic. But I'm going to shut my mouth so you can go ahead and watch and relax and enjoy of this video. So now I'm going to encapsulate all the nails. So if you guys are still watching my videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate that you're still here watching. Let me know by commenting a purple hearted emoji in the comment section below, so I know that you're still here watching with me applying this clear acrylic. So yeah, you guys, excuse my ugly nails on my left hand, but you know, I don't have time to get them off, but I will get them off. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language, papiamento, will be solo, and solo means sun. So this is how the nails look after application, and now I'm going to use my medium grit bit to smooth and shape the nails, and also to get rid of the bumpiness of the nails. So yeah, it's actually smoothing the nail. So I'm going to do this with my medium grit on all the nails. So now I'm going in with my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area. Next, I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape. So you guys, after filing, buffing and cleaning the nails, I'm going in with some gel top coat from Kupa Inc nails to top off the nails, and I will be curing it for like 2 minutes under my lamp to make sure it's properly cured. And when I'm done curing the nails, I'm going in with some cuticle oil, and then I will show you guys the end result. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know what you think of this end result. The purpley bluish looks really blue, but it's actually a purple. But yeah, I really like this end result. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this nail design. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Also go ahead and like this video if you have liked this video. It would really help my channel to grow. I really appreciate it. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.